are you?
This is like surround shit.
Yeah, it's closed.
Fuck! That can't even, how's that even happen?
Fuck me in real life. Why did they see me before I see
This
them?
isn't real life.
Where are you?
This is
Fuck you, faggots. Camping.
You're derogatory. Oh, really? That's what happened in real life.
I think I killed you. Oh! No, that motherfucker. Camping.
I'm gonna kill someone. Oh, who are you? Me. What's blue? Why are they blue? Come on!
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Oh, I gotta. Oh, faggot. Fucking bitch.
Hostile care package inbound. Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
I have like 3 kills. That's pretty fucking good. Fuck!
Be advised, hostile counter UAV is online.
That's like my best 3 kills. I like watching them with it. Like, what's the
What are you shooting at? Those are
I was shooting at the motherfucker that was fucking.
You need to stop with the cussing. It's gotta be PG.
Oh, yeah. Wait, we're playing with 13-year-olds.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, yeah, I'm cussing too much.
This is ridiculous. Why do I keep starting out at the same spot? I don't want to do it.
Oh, that's not. Yeah.
I don't like these controllers. I like Nintendo 64. Whatever it
come over more often.
is. Like Duck Hunt?
That was not N64.
Mario Kart?
Nintendo.
How many kills did I get?
Poor execution out there.
Am I dead?
Profile failed.
I'm dead.
Holy
I'm
shit.
dead. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
This isn't real life. Oh.
It's not real life. Fuck this shit.
3 and 29 now.
Yes! I got 3! How many did I get?
0 and 23.
You didn't die as much as Natalie.